Though you search for your enemies, you will not find them. Those who wage war against you will be nothing at all. Isaiah chapter 41 verses 12. Hello family, welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back, and a happy new month to you all. In this month, we are going to be traveling to our neighboring African countries to try some of their delicious delicacies. It's going to be full of indulgence. We are starting with no other than ofadarice from our sister country Nigeria. It is absolutely easy to make, so stay tuned and let's get started. So this really needs few ingredients. We need our rice, and the rice that we'll be using today is popularly known in Ghana as kyinkafa. That's basically our local rice that is in its original state with no genetic modification at all, so it is very healthy. Please go ahead and take out all the foreign materials in here, and you also need some salt and a little bit of oil. So to start off, I'm going to add hot oil in my pot. I'll let it boil for a little bit more while I go ahead and then wash my rice. Mind you, this rice is in its raw state and nobody should even tell you to wash it. You need to wash it for more than 4 times to get rid of all the excess dirt. Alright? And we Ghanaians also have a rice dish called Kwenkwen or kwankwan, and we use this same rice for it, and it's absolutely delicious as well. I do have a recipe for it, and I'm going to link it here and below as well, so go ahead and click on it and learn a new way you can also cook this rice into it. So good. So after washing this for about 5 times, I think it's ready for us to parboil. We are first going to parboil our rice just to take out of that aroma, you know, the strong aroma, natural aroma from it, and also help the rice to be polished a little bit. You know, it's really brown. I think that is why they do this. Okay, so I'm going to put it back in the water. This is boiling water, not salted, no oil. Just allow it to boil for about 5 minutes ish, and just go in and strain off the water. So after straining off the hot water, it does not end there. You need to add lots more of cold water. This is also going to help the rice to be very fluffy. I really love the fluffiness of this rice. So if you're looking for a fluffy rice recipe, I think you should use this method, and you're going to absolutely love the outcome. You can definitely tell that this rice has gone through a process by even the color. It is absolutely brighter now, which is good for this recipe. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it back in the pot, and now we're going to cook the rice until it is very soft and enjoyable. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add about 1 cup of hot water, just so that it will continue the cooking time faster. All right, and I'm going to season it with some salt and a little bit of oil. Please use any oil of choice. I also learned that the oil is very optional, but I think it gives it a very good taste. All right, so stir it and cover it and allow it to cook for the next 20 minutes on a low heat. All right. So what I learned is this rice dish was named after a small town in the Ogun state in the southwestern part of Nigeria, that is the Yoruba land. It was a small town that I pretty much believe they were growing this rice. That is why it was named after it. So it was pretty much interesting. And I've also heard lots of comment that we Ghanaians kind of cook like the Urubes. So that is probably why I got interested in this dish. I do not know. So about 25 minutes later, our rice is ready and it's looking very, very fluffy. So I think it's perfect right now, and I think we did a good job. So there you have it, family. We are done with our ofada rice, and of course traditionally this is served in leaves, just like what we would do to our waakye basically. Okay, so we're going to serve it in our leaves, and of course if you have something from Niger, especially if it's a rice dish, you will not go without having some dodo or fried plantain on the side. And of course this is ofada rice, so we need some ofada sauce to go with it. And oh boy, this sauce was great, and I'm going to share the recipe with you very, very soon. And the eggs really came through, right? There you have it, family. Thank you so much for watching. I truly hope you learned a thing or two. And of course, my Nigeria fam, please rate me in the comment section, and I will be glad to read all the comments. Thank you so much once again for watching. Please be sure to give me a thumbs up, share to a few friends and family as well. And also, if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and just know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next one.